AMSOIL makes a product that gets all the tar, bug guts off the front of your car with just a couple wipes. My name's Eben. Welcome back to Synthetic Oil Protection. Today we're going over the AMSOIL Car Care Cleaning Quick Detailer. This right here is a great product. You just upright it a couple times. You're gonna take this off, you pop in the seal, and you're gonna put the little spray nozzle on top. This right here goes on any painted surfaces, removes tar, bug guts, sap, all that crap that goes on the front of your car. This effortlessly wipes it right off. Highly recommend the red microfiber towel. That's what I use in my personal car, and I use this for touch-up. I don't use this on my whole car, just the front of the car. I want you to go right on ahead and leave a comment below. I'd love to know what you thought of this product. If you had a chance to try it yet, I'd love the feedback. If you have questions on other products, leave that down below. And also, I want your support by ordering this product right away at syntheticoilprotection.net. That'll allow me to be your independent AMSOIL dealer, so I can answer all your questions with all the other related AMSOIL products, from cleaners, protectants, and lubricants. These are all featured in the 24 days of AMSOIL protection. My name's Eben. We'll see you on the next video. Check this one out.